Here's how to turn off auto dubbing on YouTube. Now, if you're on a YouTube video and you hit play and you find that it is auto dubbed to a different language that you don't want, you can always turn that off. I'll show you how to do it. Let's just say we open up YouTube here and go to a random video that is auto dubbed. Let's say we go back to this Linus Tech Tips video. Now, the only way currently to turn it off is to tap on that gear icon at the top right. And now from here, you can see midway down there is audio track. Just tap on that and you can see audio track. It says English original. So you're just gonna go to the original audio track. After I hit play here, you'll be able to see it plays in the normal original language. Unfortunately, you have to do this for every single video, but it does help if you hop out of here and go into your settings. And now from settings, tap on general, and then just tap on language. And now from here, tap on the preferred language and have that set to the language that you want your YouTube videos in.